Damn, I can't believe this. Can't believe this mess. This nigga done fleece me. Shoot. I got to find somebody out here. I might have to turn a trick or two or do something. Like, is that Q over there? Q? Oh, shoot. That is you. Hey, what's going on? Hey, child.
How you been?
What you doing? What you doing over here?
I'm just mingling, but damn, Auntie, what you got going on?
Well, you, can you get me on?
Get you on with
what? I just got fleeced. I just got fleeced by
what
this
you
guy. I got
doing?
fleeced for $25.
Auntie.
And I need to get something else.
Auntie, let me see this. Give me this.
It ain't nothing. I done got fleeced, honey. I think it's some soap or something. But
what you do? You ain't even.
You need anything?
I don't need nothing. I need for you to be all right.
Well, I don't need you to be telling mama and nobody or nothing that you saw me over here, okay? But
Auntie.
What?
What the hell going on?
Well, actually, I need to know if you can just get me on. Really?
No, I'm not putting you on, Auntie. You can't do that. You been
come on now.
Is that a bottle?
Well, come on.
Auntie, come on now. You can't.
It's me. Just
I know
come
it's
on
you.
now.
You family. You can't. Come on, Auntie.
Oh.
I mean, where you been? Where you going? Do they know you here? They don't know you.
No, and don't be telling them I'm here, okay? Don't be telling them. So you can't do nothing for me?
No, Auntie.
Oh, can't believe this. Well, okay. Well, I don't want you messing up what I can do now. So,
I need you to be cool, Auntie. You know, it's hot. Auntie, it's hot out here. I need you to be cool, all right?
Well, okay.
Auntie,
But just go on.
Auntie,
I'm a gone. Just, I'll be okay. I'll be okay.
Man, she tripping. Hey, Auntie up here at the park, bro. The park. Nah, I'm just up here, man, walking through like I do, but she up here right now, bro, she tweaking, man. Nah, she tweaking, bro. She trying to get on. Well, somebody need to come up here, man. I ain't gonna leave till y'all come up here, but I'm gonna keep my eye on her. All right. You already know it's on me. It's on me at all times, but somebody need to get up here right now.
I can't believe it. Somebody need to come over here. No, that is not. No, that is not. Damn. No, he done told them I was over here. What?
Carolyn.
What? What is you doing over here?
Carolyn, we've been looking everywhere for you.
For what?
What do you mean for what? You're supposed to be in rehab, sis.
Well,
Sis.
look, I just needed 2 extra days. I just needed 2 extra
Two
days.
extra days for what? You have us worried all the
Look.
time. Why can't we never find you?
Look, they're
what
talking
are you
about-
doing?
Look, I just need 2 more extra days.
For what, sis? For what? Come on now.
Just let me get high for 2 more days.
Get high for 2 more days? Carolyn.
They talking about it's gonna be 2 weeks to 30 days before I can
Please.
even talk
You're
to anybody.
You're supposed to be in rehab. You're supposed to be in rehab. You promised. Not this time again, please,
Well,
Carolyn.
how'd you even know I was over
Baby,
here?
please don't do this, Carolyn. Please. I want you to go back to rehab. Okay?
Oh,
Okay? You gotta be part of the family. We need you. There's so much going on, Carolyn. We need you so much.
Anybody else know I'm over here?
No, just me.
Please don't tell
Just
nobody
me.
else.
Promise me you'll go back to rehab. I'll just know, sweetheart. Just me. Just me. Come on, Carolyn. Come on.
Oh no. Oh no, I need help.
I know. I know.
I just
I
need
love you so much.